Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you are watching the Post Market Show. So today's market, if you have looked at it, it was kind of flat opening, and then what was unexpected was a sharp fall happening in the initial few minutes, first 15 minutes, let's say, and then there was a U-shaped recovery, and markets did not look back after that. There was a continuous rally after that. Markets moved up and up and up, and thanks to Reliance as well. The results of Reliance came out Friday after market hours, and even on Friday the stock prices were moving up. And today, in fact, Reliance moved up by further 2%, helping the markets move further. It's, as you know, it's one of the heavyweight stocks, and overall, it was a bullish day for the markets overall. And although the starting wasn't that good, but overall it ended pretty well. And also, if you have looked at the way open interest was set up initially, it was a very call heavy market, and possibly after the up move, a lot of short covering has happened as well, leading to the up move, I believe. So let us look into the charts and see what has happened. So let's open it up. Yeah, so over here, what we are seeing is this is the, let's open up with Nifty. Nifty is almost 0.5% up. So if you look at the recovery from today's low to high, it was almost 1.15% up, almost 218 points recovery for Nifty from the lows. And good to see Nifty recovering in such a way. And this looks like kind of a double bottom formation, but let's see if the upward trend continues or not, because up ahead 90,230 is a very, very important level of resistance. And in case there are shorts in the system, or people are shorting, they will be shorting around 90,200 levels, 230 levels. So look out for that in the upcoming days. Back Nifty also had a very good up move, 0.6% up. Back Nifty almost closing above 43,000. That is an important thing for Back Nifty. So Back Nifty, same thing happened, opened flat, then moved down, created a panic low of around 42,370 levels, and then from there it moved up. Let's see how many points. It moved up more than 726 points from its day's low to day's high. So that is a fantastic recovery in Back Nifty as well. So things are looking good. Mid caps and small caps did not have that great of a day, but it is up. It has closed in green, but very slightly, 0.09% green. Mid caps, small caps up 0.07%. Sector wise, not all sectors ended in the green. We have some sectors which lagged a bit. In them, auto is the one which fell the most, 0.9% down, followed by FMCG, which is down 0.42%, and media, it's very, very slightly down, 0.06%. Rest all sectors have moved up, with reality moving up the most, 2.14% in the green. And then we have energy up by 1.2%, and financial services and private banks both moved up close to 0.6%. So that is the overall movements from the day. Talking about Nifty movers, it was the heavyweights: Reliance, HDFC Bank, ICICI. All three of them are in the top movers of Nifty. And interestingly, Axis Bank, ITC, Tata Motors, and Maruti, they have moved down today. FIIs, no matter what, they continue to sell. Today was no different. 1,761 crores of selling from FIIs. DIIs turning into net buyers, buying for 1,328 crore at the moment. Let's look into the economic calendar and see if there is anything important coming up this week. So we have the German GDP growth rate, which came out today, and GDP growth rate is negative 0.1% versus negative 0.3% expectation. So it's slightly better, I would say. And what else is there? Let's see if there's anything important. The German inflation rate has come out at 3.8% versus an expectation of 4%. So that is also a good data in my opinion. And Bank of Japan interest rate decision is coming out tomorrow. We have a GDP data coming out from France, GDP and inflation data coming out from France, and also Euro area. So yeah, a lot of GDP data and inflation data is going to be coming out now that we are almost getting into a new month. So all those things will be there. So yeah, let's again, not that much important unless and until it's something related to US or India. So we will be noticing those as well. Now looking into US markets, because that is what dominating our markets over here. So US markets are right now in the green, so that is something good. US markets trading in the green, 0.68 percentage in the green. S&P 500, Dow Jones is up by 1%, more than 1% in fact, and Nasdaq is up 0.62%. US markets looking good as of now. Even all European markets and Asian markets are looking good, excepting for Japanese markets, which is down 0.95%. Rest all of them are between 0 and 1%. So things are looking good. US VIX has been coming down. It is at 20.3, down by 4.5% today. Interestingly, India VIX shot up today by 5.3%. Once again, it is above 11. Yeah, 11.49 to be exact. Crude oil prices, let's look at that. Crude oil prices have been now at pre-war levels. So it's at 82.8 now. So yeah, that is crude oil prices coming down. That is a good sign. Gold prices are stable, I would say. Not it came down slightly today. It's at 1998 right now. So yeah, let's see how gold trades. Since 2000 is psychological level, probably markets are not breaking that just yet. So yeah, let's wait for that. And talking about metals, we have iron up by 1.47%, aluminum up by 1.66%. So do keep an eye out for metal stocks. It's zinc is the only one which is down by 0.2%. Rest all of them are up. Dollar index is coming down. It's at down by 0.3%. That is good. And talking about USD INR, it remains steady at 83.2. Nothing much has happened. But against euro and pound sterling, Indian rupee has depreciated slightly. So now tomorrow is the Fin Nifty expiry. So let's look into the open interest as well as levels. Fin Nifty put call ratio is at 1.15, slightly bullish is what it is indicating. And talking about open interest, we have 19,300 and 19,400 having a lot of call options. Down below 19,100 and 90,000 having a good amount of put open interest. So that seems to be range. 19,100 to 400 is the immediate range, or 100 to 300. Let's see the chart, and if we can decipher anything from there, that would be great. So let's open up the chart of Fin Nifty. 19,241 is where Fin Nifty has closed. Let's zoom into the 15-minute chart. So looking at the charts, 19,351 is likely to be a resistance. In case that is broken, the next resistance comes at 19,494. Now that is way up. So do keep an eye out for these two levels, 19,500, 19,351. Down below 19,221 is a good support, and 19,096 also a good support. Now the way markets are moving right now, it is likely to be a gap up opening, or at least if it's flat, is a bullish momentum right now. And let's look into other indices as well. Bank Nifty and Nifty. Bank Nifty put call ratio indicating 1.2. So that is a drastic improvement from last Thursday if you look at it. So now it's actually indicating bullishness in Bank Nifty after the way markets moved up today. Nifty's put call ratio is back to slightly above 1, almost at 1 you can say, which indicates neutral movements with lots of put added intraday at 19,000 levels and 19,100 levels, and calls are there throughout, but 19,500 has the highest amount of calls, but it's still not as the number of calls written is not as big as the number of puts written at 19,000. So yeah, markets are mildly bullish. You can see from the open interest levels. Now, like I said in the beginning, 90,230, that range, like plus or minus 10 points, is going to be acting as a crucial resistance level. If markets are reversing, that could be a point from where markets can reverse. And in case market sustains above that level and closes above that level, that would indicate we are back on track with the bullish momentum, and markets can slowly recover. So that is going to be crucial. Do watch out for 19,230 levels, how markets are reacting around that level. That is going to be important. And down below 90,011 is likely to be a good support. Yeah, let's see. Around 90,000, that should be a good support. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Coming to Bank Nifty, 43,000 is a good support. Markets have closed above that, so that should be acting as a resistance in case markets are falling after a gap down opening. And 43,471 is a resistance. 40,741 is a resistance. So similar to Nifty's 19,230 levels is 43,470 or 43,500 levels in Back Nifty. Keep that in mind. If that again can cause a U-turn in the markets, and markets can fall from there. In case the markets are steadily trading and closing above that level, that indicates further bullishness in the upcoming days. So yeah, that is the situation right now. Let's see how the things pan out. And usually we are starting the November month from day after tomorrow, and usually a new month is starting. People will put into a lot of money into the SIPs. And also there is the Diwali time, so people do make a lot of investments. There's a Muhurat trading around 12th November, I believe. So all of that thing is there. So let's see if there, these sentiments help the market to move up, or at least not fall for the time being. So that is all from my side. Thank you for watching and have a very good night.